My name is Jose Casas. I'm a senior exterior designer for BMW I and BMW M. And this is the BMW Vision M Next. This car is a vision of how an electrified BMW M car could look like in the future. It's a design exercise and it's the boost of BMW, which means this car was designed with a highly driver-oriented. It's all about the passion of driving. It's for the driver. Yeah. In comparison of the BMW Vision I Next, which we released around 2 years ago, which is the ease of BMW, and it's about autonomous driving. It's about the experience, more about the experience for the passengers. This car is all about driving. It's not autonomous, but it gives you all the technology you need that you drive and you optimize every second on your drive. Let me talk a little bit about the car. As you can see here, this is the proportions are of a true sports car. Very low, very sleek roof line, very low. We also have a very wide track, big wheels, and very dynamic diagonal lines on the car, of course, to give it more dynamic. When we designed this car, we wanted something actually very simple, very iconic, but at the same time with a lot of emotion. So we look at our BMW heritage of sports cars, and we got really inspired by the BMW M1, the BMW Turbo, and the BMW i8. You can see here on the side we have a very unique body side, which is very simple, but you have this diagonal line that goes all the way to the back, and this actually split the cars in three: the door, the rocker, and the rear fender. It also, you can see the Hofmeister nick here, but in a different interpretation. It's not only a graphic or a chrome piece, it's an actual intake, air intake. So we evolved this icon of BMW into this. We also have the lamellas here, very reminiscent from the BMW M1. We also have a new rim design, which we call it multi-spoke design, and this actually helps for aerodynamics and to cool the brakes, the brake system. Here on the back, as you see also, we have a new technology which is called laser wire lights. You can see they are very thin and very precise, and they go like this. And we also have the BMW logos in it, in each side, here and there, inside the tail lamp, reminiscent from the BMW M1. These together with this sharp edge here, it makes the car a very wide look on the back, and it also looks like a framed rear. So actually the lights define how wide the car looks. Yeah, together with this diffusor, two diffusors that are made of recycled carbon fiber, you have a very, very strong sporty look. So here we have the front, and you can see the whole front focuses the attention on the kidney grille. You know, we have a very low and very unique kidney grille here, and it got inspired by the turbine of an airplane. You can see it's like a naked kidney, it doesn't have any chrome frame or it doesn't have any bars, it's just pure shape. Yeah, very simple, and it actually grows into the cockpit. This is supported by these two thrilling orange elements, which comes from the BMW Turbo, the color. Yeah, there are these diagonal, very geometrical shapes that actually make a lot of contrast between the softness of this front with the more technical diffusers on the back, or air intakes. We also have our iconic lights, the double eye lights, as we call them, a very also important icon for us. And something actually interesting, maybe, as you can see, here's the logo of BMW. It's an abstraction of the logo, and when you zoom out, it looks like a mesh, but when you zoom in, it's the logos from BMW. So, if you want to see this car here, please come to the International Canadian Motor Show of 2020 and come to the BMW booth.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to Automotive Affairs and click the notification bell.